Video daw niya. Kuya will try this.
Ako man lang ito. Gara ng bato. Dahil mag-ginarami. Dahil ginarami.
Is this your first time?
Anak ka nga mga paghahagot.
Wala naman yung maubos.
Second time.
Marani yun man, uy.
Second time. Sheesh! Kulay white!
Yan naman ang video mo. Ay, kaharani man nun. Ay, maram. Nasa ano, midya.
Photojournalism, di video journalism.
Impoy parehas ng anduwa.
Anong meaning sa photojournalism? Abe.
Ayaw nun.
Mali ang ka. Ako man daw ate.
Yan, anay. Ito nga anay niyo.
Yeah.
Nakakaw na doon, dali.
Napapahit sa lang. Asan mo nung
I'm given the. You try that.
Try it. The dragon fruit.
Papanitan mo. Napapanitan niya.
It is, although it's,
No, ano daw?
but it's also a medicinal fruit. Yeah, you just remove the outer.
Yan.
Try it.
Yan man yung kikita, nagbibidyo.
Medicinal
Marasap
fruit.
pa.
They told us that that is medicinal fruit.
Flavonoids. It's rich in flavonoids.
Is it good? Is it what's? It's not sweet.
It's rich in flavonoids. Anti-inflammation.
Dati bagay.
Yeah, it's good. I mean, it's not like sweet. It's
Not
not
sweet.
But there are some that it's that are sweet.
Very good benefit to our body.
Yeah, but
But it's too expensive here. You know,
Expensive.
That,
Very expensive.
not so many farmers plant that. That's why it's so expensive. But in Cavite City, it's cheaper.
Cavite?
Only 80 per kilo.
City ang Cavite?
Yeah.
Cavite City,
Yeah.
you know, Calabarzon.
Habo na ni.
Diyan po
Angelica, bumo na kayo? May dragon.
Habo na ko na niya.
Oh, marami nang katanim. Kunti pa lang nagkatanim doon.
How's it?
Asan na yung ano natin?
It's good.
Dito pa.
Ano yan? Alak?
Anti-inflammatory.
Hindi. Ano to?
Rich in flavonoids. Ay, kay
this
kuya,
is,
kay kuya mo yan. Kay Jimmy.
This is